How are you all? Welcome to Lucid Study. This is Pratyusha and today in this session we are going to go through Model Paper 2 of Senior Intermediate of Zoology. So yes, we have already discussed Model Paper 1, right? Now let's go through Model Paper 2 and have a look at the questions that are there in this paper. What do you know about arbor vitae? Inner white matter of the cerebellum which usually projects out into a sheath of grey matter. So here this we call it as arbor vitae. So here it usually looks like a branching tree. So this arbor vitae which is there, it usually appears, it looks like a branching tree. So these points if you write under this answer, it is enough. Next question. What is insulin shock? So here overdose of insulin to the diabetic patients. If you give more and more dosage of insulin to diabetic patients, what will happen here? It leads to reduced level or decreased level of glucose in the blood. And it leads to a condition called as insulin shock. So this is how we are going to answer this question. Next question. Define terms immunity and immune system. So yes, what is immunity first? It is the overall capacity or ability of an individual to fight against disease causing microorganisms or infectious or harmful microorganisms. It is called as immunity. What is immune system? It is a network of organs, cells, proteins to fight against disease causing pathogenic or harmful microorganisms, that is usually against bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. So this network of cells, organs and proteins to fight against these disease causing organisms is called as immune system. So this is how we are going to answer this question. Next question. What is Turner's syndrome? So here it is usually a allosomal disorder which is caused usually in females. So it is caused by the monosomy of 23rd pair of chromosome. So what happens here? The ovaries which are there in females, they are not properly developed, and female external genitalia and internal genital ducts. Here female external genitalia and internal genital ducts which are there, they are present. So these two they are present and ovaries they are not developed. It is an allosomal disorder which is usually caused in females. It is caused by monosomy of 23rd pair of chromosome. So these points if you write here, it is enough. Next question. What is crisscross inheritance? So crisscross inheritance, it is usually the inheritance of sex-linked characters from father to grandson through daughter and from mother to granddaughter through son. So this pattern it is included under, it is usually called as crisscross inheritance. Inheritance of sex-linked characters. In this way from one generation to the other generation. So the examples which you can give here for this crisscross inheritance is color blindness, hemophilia, etc.